Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will share you how you can set up a freeform report and create a freeform report through Google Analytics 4. So without further delay, let's get started. So right now you can see my screen. You can see here a blank freeform, funnel exploration, path exploration and segment overlap. So today I will only discuss about freeform. So now what we need to do, we need to click on the freeform. Okay, so at first, so like this is the e-commerce report. So totally today I will explain about only e-commerce. So like you know that e-commerce event like page view cart, add to cart, begin checkout, purchase, these are the e-commerce event. Okay, so okay, these are the e-commerce events. So how you can enable the e-commerce event, and you can see here event name. Okay, we need to go the row section. We can remove the cities row, and we can at first we can remove the device category. Okay, so you can see here like page view session start, first visit, view item, like from start, view cart, add to cart. You can see these are the e-commerce event. You can see only 10 here, so we can increase the row. Okay, how can we increase the row? You can see show row, and we can click in the 50, 100, like that. We can see everything here. Like you can see purchases, begin checkout, add to cart, view cart. So everything, every report we can see, every event we can report you can see here. So basically today I will explain about like purchases. So how you can see the result, and we need to go for getting more easier, for understanding more easier. So if we filter option, click on the filter option and click on the event name, then exactly matches and purchases. Okay, and click on the apply, and you can see last 28 days we got 2.9k, 2939 active user, and we can say like active user whose people purchases the product from our website. And what is the total value? This is just a number, so active users. So what is the total value? So how we can see that? We need to go the metrics and click on the plus, and we should find the total revenue and imported that, and values total revenue. Now you can see purchases 2939 purchases, and the total revenue you can see here 100, like 100k, more than 100 to almost 1.5k, 100k. Okay, you can see here the total revenue. And what is the source and medium, like which type of people purchases the product from our website? So we need to know, so what is the source and medium, like the people coming from Google ads or Facebook ads or TikTok ads, or they are coming from SEO, or they directly visited our website and purchased the product. So everything we can see from here. And how we can do that? We need to go the dimension, and first source and medium, we need to type in here first source and medium, and click here first source and medium, and we need to go the rows and first source and medium. Now we can see, you can see this is not organized way. Okay, so how we can organize way and look like very good? We need find the nested row and click on the yes. Now we can see this, like you can see this is looking so beautiful. And like Facebook ads, you can see Facebook ads, this type of revenue they generated. And the second thing is like total revenue, and Google ads, the 523 user coming from Google ads, and they purchases that, and the total revenue is 27k euro. okay, and the people, some people coming from Klaviyo email marketing, and almost 171 people purchases the product from email campaign, okay, and in last 28 days. mm, and lots of people, like 169 people purchases the product from SEO, and we can see everything from here, okay. And if we want to see like the purchases people coming from which country and which city, we can see everything also here. mm, we can use country, like you can see from Italy is the most of the people coming from Italy, their purchases our product, okay. Almost 895 people coming from Italy, and basically our target country in the Europe, so that's means Italy, Spain, and like they uh, go in the first and second pages, okay. And United Kingdom, you can see 321 people. And if we want to only explain only Italy, so how we can do that? We need to go the filter, and like this is the country, right? Country, and we can only analysis on the Italy, or if we want to only analysis on United Kingdom as well, as we can do that. United Kingdom, country, and United Kingdom, okay. We can only explore United Kingdom. Okay, and we can also use cities. Cities is under in the country. Can you see? Right now we are only exploring the city, which under in the United Kingdom. Like London is a city, Birmingham is a city in United Kingdom. Can you see? Like most of the people coming from London, almost 79 people, and their revenue generated 3,837 euro. As well as we can see Leeds, Bristol, Belfast, Birmingham, like that. We can see also here. And if we want to see like the people coming from mobile, desktop, or laptop, and we can also see that how many people coming from mobile, desktop, or laptop, like device category. Like from mobile, like most of the people coming from mobile, and they generated huge revenue. And then second place is desktop, and third place is laptop. And if you want to also see like device, what type of device, can you remember how much in depth in the Google Analytics for? And if we want to see the device, we can also do that. We need to click on the dimension and operating system. Operating system, like, can you see, like from most of the people coming from iOS device, which type of people use the iPhone, MacBook, like that, Apple device, which type of people, so they generated most of the revenue. And then second user is uses Android, and third is Windows, okay. You can see here operating system is okay. And this is the thing. So free form report is very more easy to set up the thing. This is the more easier, okay. So if you see the full video properly, so as well as like gender, so okay, wait, row, gender, like do you know how many people coming our website? Like most of the people are unknown, so sometimes GA4 not targeted the people, that's why they are unknown. And the second place is female, like 21k people coming 21k female user we got last 28 days, and 14k male we got last 28 days. And they also generated good revenue. Can you see? They also generated good revenue. We can also see here. So this is the report for free form. We can also do in depth, but yeah, so I just explain about e-commerce free form reporting. So I hope you are getting help to watch the video. So thank you.